Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya, and this is a 30-day free workshop based on the very famous Ho'oponopono prayer. And till now we have completed 20 videos, 20 days, 20 episodes. Yoo-hoo, this is an amazing success from my side, from your side. Congratulations to you all and congratulations to me also, because I'm sure that it must be very roller coaster ride for you. Those people who are very new to Ho'oponopono prayer, they must be getting some bouncers also. But for those who were already knowing a bit about Ho'oponopono prayer, for them there must be some very good moments, some moments where they still have to understand. And for those who are very expert in this Ho'oponopono prayer, for you also it must be some adding advantage, or in future you might guide me to make this entire process of 30-day free workshop improve on and grow on. And if I have made any mistakes, or if I need to improve on certain thing, you can always suggest me. So all the three types of participants, thank you so much for all your love, support, and congratulations to you all. And now today is day 21, so today I would like to share you about few of the advanced Ho'oponopono tools. So when I say tools, they are the trigger words, they are the signals, some pictures, some images, some visualization things to do. Some are the edible tools, some are the plant based tools. So all these are included in the advanced version of Ho'oponopono tool. Why advanced? Because these are used for the specific area, for healing a specific condition or specific situation or specific circumstances. So that's why I'm considering it as advanced Ho'oponopono tools. Okay, so this comes again under the category of food and visualization, and they come under the category of plant-based tools, cleaning tools. Okay, so today in this video I will just name few of them, and will try to give you for which area they are working, and then from the next video I will try to explain you a bit in detail, not an entire big video, specific video on that, but in brief I will definitely share how to use it and why, when to use that particular Ho'oponopono tool along with the basic Ho'oponopono prayer, or now the advanced Ho'oponopono prayer, which do consider the fifth phrase of the Ho'oponopono prayer. Okay, so there are tools from Mabel Katz. Remember Mabel Katz? She was insurance agent or income tax department. She was there in USA. She was a student, she is actually not sorry was nahi, she is a student of Dr. Huleni Haleakala. She is then carry forwarding Ho'oponopono prayer to the entire world. She was there in India a few months back also. So Mabel Katz played a very important role in explaining me how the Ho'oponopono prayer works, because after watching her videos only I do consider it has then stuck into my mind how Ho'oponopono prayer actually works. So during the lockdown period, she has given me through her videos I got to know about two important Ho'oponopono tools. Then after that I have after going through certain articles, certain websites and Google things, I have come through specific tools which are working for money, specific tools which are working for relationship, tools which are working for health, which are going to deal with your physical pain, your spiritual pain, your emotional pain. And there are certain tools which are very general, which you can see day-to-day life around yourself and you are doing it even daily. Unknowingly you are using that Ho'oponopono tools in your day-to-day life. So some are like mirror, light switch, some are like just seeing the blue color, some are like hummingbird, few are like plant-based, are like the redwood trees, the maple leaves, Few edible tools are like toast and tutti frutti, lifesavers, candies, candy canes, and some visualization are like violet flame and emerald green, and there are so many advanced Ho'oponopono tool. I will list it almost more than 20, but I will be sharing specific in tools, explaining you how to use it, when to use it, and for what particular area you have to use it. So advanced Ho'oponopono tools are like unlimited. Each day I found out a new advanced Ho'oponopono tool. I'm telling it is advanced because in basic it is there. Like basic are that simple one: dewdrop, sea pot, eraser, blue solar water, strawberry, blueberries, and that M&M chocolate, hot chocolate, all that are very common. That is why they are considered in the basic, and they are very general. So they can be used for any typical area to just cool yourself, to just feel good. They can be used. But for a particular area, if you want to use, then you have to use this advanced Ho'oponopono tool. So thank you so much for watching this video and for considering this series, for being here till date, and just hang on. We are just about to start with the details of the advanced Ho'oponopono tool, and at the end I will explain you how I use it day to day life, and what are the magic which has created because of the Ho'oponopono prayer in my life, and how then at the end how you can use it on the daily basis, and how I can help you to use it on the daily basis. So for all that, stay tuned. Love you. Bye. And do comment, and do watch my Hindi Parivartan Angel Behavior also. And I have 2 more channels: Voila, Voice of Ila Anantacharya, which is a completely voiceover based channel, where I would like to randomly share with you all about law of attraction, and all about the manifestation stories, and the I'm just now in this month of May, I just played the prosperity game, and it was amazing. I loved it, and it has helped me to open up my mind on the money area. Okay, so you can just go through that and enjoy the prosperity game. And the Gujarati channel is still going on. It is still on the very small level, but I am very sure that after these series and all that, it will take up its it will boom around, and it will also come up. So thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.